Been weekly vlogging for around 4 weeks now, and out of those 4 weeks I did an unboxing video, and this week it's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to show you guys. Why I got the iPhone 5 SE, it's because my iPhone 5S right now, so if I plug it in like this, it doesn't charge. So how do I charge it? I have to put it on something, push it down, there we go. But if I let go, it doesn't charge. So what do I do? Monopoly. Now it's charging. So in order to charge my phone, I have to do this setup to charge it. I have the iPhone 5 SE. I don't have to do all those stuff to charge my phone. Hopefully the battery on this thing lasts longer as well. But yeah, so I'll be vlogging with this week to do like a comparison on, because this thing have 4K video and 12 megapixels, so yeah. And yeah, I'll do a comparison of the iPhone 5 SE and the M3 and see. But it's like vlogging with different cameras. Let's do it in the morning. So done with lunch. Normally during school weeks or school days, lunch is normally Subway or McDonald's, but I think I'm gonna get sick soon. That's why I went to eat something more healthy, which is not, because the coffee is like coffee candy. It's really sweet, and yeah, but it's better than McDonald's and Subway, I guess. And now I'm gonna go look for some places to take photos for my project. What's awesome about this park is that they have a skate park here. What? Hong Kong have a skate park? Yep, but no one's skating here. Well, it's mainly because it's weekday and like it's school time, so no one's skating. But this is like the most famous skate park in Hong Kong, I guess. Other than, well, it used to be anyways. But yeah, it's really small. And I used to come here with my BMX all the time. But then, yeah, that's it. Alright, shooting's done. I'm heading to work now.
Ethan's now at my house.
Yeah, yo.
What's the plan today?
We are going to shopping. Kento's gonna buy a new vlogging camera.
Yes, I am.
He just got his new vlogging camera. So sick. He got the new, he got the Canon G7X. So Kento, what's the plan?
After lunch, we go back to yours, do a little unboxing video.
You unboxed it already.
Not yet.
He's playing with his new baby.
What?
There's a new baby.
Oh yeah, no! And then maybe if the weather permits, we can go shoot some sunset photos.
If you all know, Kento loves cars. And we're in a car park with like 1 Ferrari, 2 Ferrari, Lamborghini, and he's just taking pictures for his Instagram. Where did he go? Oh, maybe behind. Yeah, that's what he does. Look at him. Acting all cool and all neat. Where's my gun?
Woo, America!
We're gonna shoot some BB guns. Okay, I think shooting 6 rounds and see who can pick the best score.
I'm only
Alright, so first round, this is Kento, this is mine. I think he wins. Round 2, come on.
Bring it.
only one step.
Yes.
Only one step ahead.
So, I got it one to the left. Hopefully that's alright.
One step is all I have to take.
Look at that. What? Wait, what do you get?
Get out.
Or okay, last round. We've been playing Airsoft since we were 12, and 10 years later, we're still doing the same thing. But loving it. Now we're gonna destroy that box. Bang.
Backwards to be the same old fool for you I used to be.
What is he gonna do now? Damn, Kento! Damn! I used to have a point and shoot like this, but then I changed to the M3 because the M3 can change lenses and put microphone on it. But this is so cute! It's so beautiful! Now I want one. I'm gonna steal that off him.
No!
It's been a while since I've catch up with Kento. It was really nice. But yeah, he's back for a month and he'll be like doing all those cool stuff, I guess. But I still have school and I'm gonna work on my essay now because it's due on Monday. But yeah, until then, I'll see you guys next week. Whoa, I never ended a vlog before. This is amazing. Okay, but yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Guy. I was about to stop vlogging and then start doing work, but then I looked out the window. What? Whoa, the camera doesn't do the justice.